So I got this off Amazon. It's a dual lens car camera, basically a dash cam from Z-Edge. I'll put a link in the description below. Now I had one before, but it was a 2-camera system, one facing this way and then one facing backwards. This is an all-in-one situation, and I've put the SD card in it. I haven't taken the plastic off yet, so we're gonna do a little demo today and show you how it works. I'm pretty familiar with this brand. I like what they produce. It has a card charger. I'm in a 2020 Volvo right now. I guess these cigarette chargers do still serve a purpose for those who don't smoke in the car. All right, we also have a suction cup. So on this end, you can plug it in. You'll see in a second, plug that into the USB cable. And this right here is going to connect to the device itself. So through there, I'm going to plug it in. And now we have power. So if you can see here, it's a camera in camera or picture in picture. So there's the main lens out here, so you can see me on this camera angle, but there's also a lens shooting back at the video camera, and so you can see both. So the idea here is to record both what's in front of you and I guess your reaction to what's going on. So if I suction cup this here and angle it back toward me, so here's how I have my device currently hooked up. As I pull out here, you'll see the cable is actually behind the mirror, and I'm going to run it around and along the edge. That way it is hidden, because right now it's yanky janky, just long and in the way. So that can be a problem, depends on how you want to organize your cable. You can go up around and then down, but you want to make sure this is staying out of your way, because I think this would be distracting if it was just hanging down like that. So looking at the display here, you can see on the right hand side the running clock. That's how long it's been recording. On the left side there's a red light blinking, and it also shows 1080p plus 1080p. Bottom here shows the date. Here's the time. The microphone is not working. I have it off. It's plugged in. No flash. SD card is in, and the GPS is not blinking. Now I'm going to press and hold the OK button, which is on top here. That'll stop it. And then double click the power button on the right hand side, and now I can go into the settings, arrow down or arrow up to language, format the card, which I'm going to do by pressing OK on top. Arrow down, yes. Delete all the information on the card. Arrow down, enter. And I have the date already set. I'm going to show you this. Enter, enter, enter. Time of day is actually 10 a.m. So I'm going to go ahead and change that. It's actually 9:59. Okay, okay, okay. Arrow down, time zone, enter, and so on. Now I just double clicked it to go to resolution. Enter. There it is, 1080p plus 1080p. Hope you can see that. In loop recording, videos are recorded and saved to the memory card in set intervals. Once the memory card is full, loop recording automatically overwrites the earliest unprotected save file. This prevents long duration video clips from being lost in a single overwrite. So as you can see, video files can be saved in the memory card in 1, 3, or 5 minute intervals. Now to look at what you have on your computer, you hit the M mode, and now you can see the different clips you have, and I can cycle through them. And once I like what I see, I can press OK, and I'll be able to watch that particular clip. And this one is recording my audio, and you can hear it.
Shows the quality of our videos at 1080p plus 1080p. Microphone is on, plugged in, date.
So while I'm recording the demo of this, it's recording my audio of this. And so when you're recording while you're driving, you can hear yourselves talking. So if you want to make a video of where you're going, do some commentary of what you're driving and seeing, that'd be a good way to do it. All right, let's go ahead and do a little driving here. It is recording, backing up here. And so if I'm doing this correctly, the microphone is on. I got the dash cam on forward, and I can see myself here in the other camera. Now, I'm wondering, and maybe you are too, how you can utilize this camera in your everyday driving. Well, of course, it's going to be a great safety feature to have in case of a collision, in case there's an accident, because of all the safety features that are incorporated inside the machine. So maybe it'll recognize what you're doing and recognize what the person in front of you is doing, and you can use this in case of legal issues and to verify what was going on when you were driving. I like dash cams. When I was overseas just earlier this year in Korea, I think 80% of the cars and trucks and vans had dash cams, and I understand why they would have those. You never know what's going to happen. Someone runs out, someone tries to fake maybe an insurance claim and gets out in front of you. Well, now you have the evidence. And now, if you want to go on a drive, a scenic drive, that's what I think would be kind of cool. A scenic drive, talk about what you see, because you're recording yourself and you have video of yourself and you've got video of what you're driving and seeing. I'm liking this camera more and more. Just realizing after explaining with it a little bit more that it's recording two individual files. One is an individual clip of the front-facing camera, and the other one is the driver-facing camera. So if I just want to use one or the other, I can choose those, and they both have the audio recording on them. Wow, this is going to be something I may want to be using in my car review videos in the future. This is a better camera than I thought. What a good little investment. Again, this is the F1 dual lens car camera by Z-Edge. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check it out and maybe put it on someone's birthday list, holiday list, or just something for yourself. Thanks for watching, and of course, I'm just giving you a quick overview of some of the features. Get one yourself and put it to use and have fun with it. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. Safe driving. Adios.